It's July 10th, 2013, Pine Top, Lakeside, Arizona, at our house on Rainbow Lake Drive, and this is what you would call the monsoon season. We're getting pounded by rain right now, so much so that you can see that it's almost making a stream through my driveway. The driveway is draining a bunch of water down, and it's coming down here and creating a little flash flood almost. So yeah, we're getting a lot of rain here, and thunder and lightning. So we do get this sort of rain this time of year for the monsoon season. It's not uncommon. Today is just pounding rain though, and usually it's not quite such an aggressive downfall. So, but it's hard to video the rain, so I'm going to cut this video a little short.